Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to post only music on Instagram story. Just open your Instagram here. If you have any password, you can just enter it like me. Go to your home section. Now if you want to just post music, it's really easy. So here you have to go on the plus icon here, and this is a music section. So let's select our music here. So let's say that I will select this music, click on it, and as you can see here, this is how it's look. And I can also change select which part I want to play this music, how this should look and everything, right? So this looks nice here, right? And in this way you can change it. And here let's say if you want any stickers or something, you can also do that. And if I just go and click on in the three dots, I can change the length of the song here. For example, I want to play it for only 10 seconds, 11 seconds, I can also do that, right? And this is a here pause, and let's say I just want to play this part, and you will find that there's a red color icon here. This means this part of this song is really trending, so I can just go and select here. Same thing goes here. You can also select this part of this music is also popular, right? Now once everything is done, just go and click on your story. That's it. And this way you will able to post only music on Instagram story. This is a new update. Let me show you up. Okay, so it's taking a little bit of time to post, and now you can see this is how it's look, right? You can see the story is playing. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.